Okay, now we're going to look at Kim Kardashian. Wow. See, I would be petrified of that. You have to be Kim to me to do that because she looks like Cleopatra or something.
I know, it's pretty
It's a pretty severe...
Yeah, it's like one of the most simplest looks, but it really does create a lot of drama. The key to this look is it's all about the shine. Anyone can straighten the hair. This is about the gloss and the finish of your hair. You're going to love the before and after of this picture.
Okay,
we should
so Katie
get her out.
is our viewer. Come out, Katie. Katie, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my God, I just want to pet you. Can I touch it?
Shine.
I know, it's so smooth.
It's unbelievable. That feels amazing. And look at it. It literally shines. Look at that.
Give us a swirl. 360. Give us a swirl.
Gorgeous. Give us a swirl. Give us a swirl. Gorgeous. Her hair. It looks like you shellacked it.
I know, right? It
so
literally...
Chris, talk this down, because this is amazing.
I think I've been known for like the really sleek, glossy look. And everyone says to me all the time, like, how do you get the shine? You can see the before picture, like her hair was super curly, super textured.
So is that the product you're actually using in the video?
Yes, it is. And that's why I partnered with Color Wow and I use Dream Coat on my clients. And it gives you that complete mirror-like finish. You can see the hair's not going to get
unbelievable, but it doesn't
all.
feel greasy or anything.
Not at all. It's like
I mean, it feels
light,
beautiful.
like
oh my God, I'm petting her like my dog.
Literally.
It's
But
like,
look at this.
Isaboo.
Rachel, if you look at this, if you check it out on the camera, you'll see the shine in the hair. So the shine in the hair is
It looks
amazing.
like glass. I love it. So all of you guys all stand together there. Stand all together. So I just want... Listen, I want you to tell me the truth. Each of you feels you could recreate this.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Get
So,
it,
you also took Kim's hair to blonde, right?
Yeah, that was
really fun. Do we have a picture
fun.
of that? Oh my God.
I know, amazing, right? So we took our time, we took it really slow, and I also used a product called Olaplex whilst colouring the hair to maintain the condition, and that keeps the bonds super strong whilst you're actually colouring the hair.
So it doesn't like literally fall out of your head.
No, exactly. You know, and Kim's amazing at looking after her hair, and I think the colour, spoke for itself. It was beautiful.